Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a paper ninja braid. For that we need two A4 sheets cut into a square. We'll fold the square into half. And we'll open it again. And you can see the center point. We will take these two edges to the center point. And this edge too. And then we'll fold this,
totally fold. I mean fold.
and we'll fold this thing to a half. And then we will unfold it and we'll fold this into here. And this also till here.
And fold fast.
And then we have this square thing and we'll bend it into like a triangle. And again open it and do this point to this point. And we will again this point. And this also. And we will also do this corner. Like this. Now we will take the two diamond papers and we will make this into this. And we will take this point, put it inside this, and this point, way to here, into this hole, and we will put this point into this hole, and this to this hole.
Ninja blade is
And
done.
the ninja blade is done.
Now
Now if you want, you can color in your own colors.
I'm gonna color.
Now he will color.
I'm gonna color. Well done. Color.
He's coloring his favorite colors. You can color in your favorite colors. You can color any color in each of the corners. Now we have finished coloring and a ninja blade is done. Now we will put and show. Now you can put and show. Wow, it went far away. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye.